Hello there, I am Dhruvaraj Nikam from Team Tech Emissions. We are developing a project to analyze and estimate the carbon content and emissions from technological devices and systems. Much as technology has speeded into all aspects of our life, the cost that come with the use of these devices is growing exponentially. The project focuses on addressing GHG emissions towards the environment associated with electronic devices, primarily desktops, PCs, and screens. A 6-year usage period is considered, projecting an annual carbon footprint of 778 kg CO2 for a standard desktop PC and screen. Various working setups, carbon footprints are compared, emphasizing differences. Concerns are raised about carbon emissions towards the environment from video gaming machines, crypto mining rings, central services, highlighting the need of urgent resolutions. Technology solution offers an in-depth analysis and tracking system of electronic device carbon emission. It calculates emission based on the carbon intensity of electricity in specific regions, utilizes IBM AI services to provide to support data preparation, analysis, and model building, provides transparency in estimating the carbon footprint on computing. Technical details, specific calculations, energy resources, and carbon intensity factors are introduced. The project aligns the Niels Bohr vision that is nothing exists until it is measured. Calculation methodology and data sources are explained. Project significance presents a crucial step towards sustainability and a greener approach to computing, offers a roadmap for responsible environmental practices, provides a user-friendly guide for initiating. Conclusion is that introduce an innovative solution for addressing carbon emission towards the environment from electronic devices, aims to contribute a more sustainable future by quantifying and analyzing carbon footprints and suggesting reduction strategies, leverages IBM AI services for data driven analysis and model building. This project reflects a significant step towards greener and more sustainable technology practices. Thank you.